Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this pink parcel sanitary towel subscription box, and they also have a box full of random knickknacks and just random creams and stuff, or beauty items, as well as confectionery items. That's what people go for. So I was able to get this for £1 from looking at. They had an offer on, so I was able to get this box for £1 for all this. £1. So I'm just going to unbox it. Already opened it. So this is the pink parcel leaflet, what tells you what's in it. I'll do that last. An envelope, so if you have unused sanitary towels you can put it in this envelope, and they give it to people who are in need of them that might not be able to afford them, or teenage girls, I'm guessing. So this is cupboard, clean your cupboard for charity. So this is, it says a bag for now, a cute bag, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so 6 thick ones for like overnight, and then how many panty liners? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So normally a pack of sanitary towels, when it's on offer, it's £1. So this is like £1 right here, and this whole box was £1. People mainly go for this. So that's out the way. For later is more sanitary towels, the thick variety. So this is like a pack right here, so that's £2 of value. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10. 10 in the for later box. In for night, a cute little box with basically the same stuff. So this is the ultra thick ones. So this is like equivalent to maybe half a pack or a whole pack maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 in here. Okay, it's time for the box of stuff people get this box for. Essential towels. If you buy it separately, you can get it cheaper. But this normally exceeds the value of the box. It's already exceeded the value of the offer, but in normal, when it's in normal price, I think normal price is £12.99. Okay. First off is this body cleanser. This hydrating face mask. I'm going to put the camera here so it's a surprise what's in the box. This vegan soap from Dr. Van Tickles is coconut oil. A lip pencil, which is this colour, so it's this big. Cute. This piece of chocolate. This dark side chocolate. This orange juice hand cream. Oh, not bad for £1. It's really good for £1. So drink me chai. So chai latte. So according to this booklet, this hand cream for 100 mils is £11.50 in Pink Parcel store. And this is, how much mil is this? So this tube is 35 mil, and 100 mil on their store is £11.55. Let's see, their pencil, so this pencil according to the leaflet is worth £18 on their website if bought separately. The coconut soap is worth £19.90 if bought separately in their store. Apparently, 15 grams of this chocolate is worth 80p. So this is, yep, 15 grams. Apparently 30 grams of this is worth £17.99, so this is 1 gram, so have to divide that by 30. So I'll probably put the number on the video. This body cleanser apparently for 300ml is worth £3.79, and this is how many mil? 15ml, so it's divide that in and it makes something. Oh, this drink looks nice. So apparently 250 grams of this is worth £2.30 at Tesco's. So let's see how much mil. So this is 15 grams. So divide that by that number and we'll have, I have no idea, probably put it on the screen. While I'm holding the camera, the human guinea pig's gonna open the chocolate. Chocolate. What do you think of the stuff in the box?
Good value.
Put it up. Put the whole thing on your hand. Yeah.
It's like a Kit Kat.
Oh, perfect. One each. Wait, I want to take a picture. Oh, it comes in 4.
Yeah, I just snapped.
Try it.
You can have that.
Gonna be trying this drink me chai latte spiced tea. No, not tea. Is it tea or is it just chocolate latte?
No, it's chocolate tea.
Chai tea.
The latte's milks.
Chai latte. That's all the things in the box laid out. That's quite a lot. That's really good for the £1 offer.